When I came back inside the Shenyang Forbidden City for part 2, I wanted to slow down to explore the details most people walk past. One of my favorite little spots was the Jindian Pavilion, a beautiful place with these large vases and sunlight pouring in just right. I didn't know its story at first, but it felt like a space meant for reflection, beauty, and calm, almost like art inside architecture. At this place, there was someone explaining what it was used for, and I didn't understand all the details because it was in Chinese. But from what I caught, this area was connected to the Queen's Quarter, a space where the queens will manage certain parts of court life. In another room, there was just displayed the traditional foods together with a grinding mill that used to help them grind their maize into flour.
观众朋友们，加快脚步，照顾安全。
This was one of the main halls where the emperor will sit. You can see the dragon figures all around, a symbol of power and royalty in ancient China. I wasn't sure at first, but everything here was built to show strength and authority. In another hall, there were sleeping quarters. There was even a little hanging cradle for an infant, like a swing-style baby bed. These rooms felt more personal, like spaces where daily life actually happened, not just ceremonies. And next to it, there even looked like a kitchen area, showing how cooking and living were part of the palace rules, not just grand halls.
Paid special attention to the delicious food. Please bow.
These places had displayed plates, beautiful vases, and other objects once used inside the palace. I was told in Chinese that this area was connected to the women of the court, including concubines, who were responsible for preparing and organizing items used in ceremonies and everyday royal life. I saw rows of plate, fine textile, and objects that looked like they were made for special occasions, not just ordinary meals. It made me think about how layered life was in the palace, like these ceremonial items, everyday use, and luxury, all in one place.
Green jade. Wow. Vase with double ring Qing Dynasty.
Here's is to another section of the palace that looks almost like a cluster of houses, with a center building and paths going off to each side. Some guides say these spaces were connected to the court life and daily activities of the royal family, including places where the queen and important people worked or raised. These are the details, the small spaces, the objects, the halls, and personal rooms that give life to a palace. It's one thing to walk through a grand building, and another to see how people lived inside it. Thank you for watching my video and hope to see you in the next one. Abigail in China.